Place the sterilized items in a special sterilization bag. The special indicator card is placed in the sterilization bag along with the sterilized items. Fill in the relevant information. Close the unsealed side of the pouch. Check that the packaging is in place. Sterilized items in non-woven packaging are wrapped with special indicator tape. Prepare a 16-amp power outlet. Press the power on and off button. Enter standby mode. USB interface used to export or sterilization data. Power on and off button. Thermal printers. Touch screen. Enter the main interface. Click Open Door. Wait for the door to open. When placing sterilized items, the tray can be pulled out a bit when there are few items to be sterilized. Sterilized articles in paper plastic packaging. The plastic side is arranged in a flat arrangement face down. Sterilized articles in non-woven packaging. Place directly into the tray. When there are many items to be sterilized, there should be a gap between the sterilized items in non-woven packaging. Sterilized articles in paper plastic packaging. The paper faces the paper surface, and the plastic surface faces the plastic surface. 45-degree angle tilt. Standing position. When placing biological indicators, they should be packed in a non-woven fabric or sterilization bag before being placed in the sterilization room. It is usually placed at the entrance or the four corners of the pallet. After putting away the items, click Close Door. Wait for the door to close completely. Latex gloves must be worn before adding sterilization solution, otherwise the skin will be corroded. Flick a few times to keep the sterilization solution in place. Use a tool to cut open the vial. Do not cut off areas with spiral lines. Click on the dosing window. Place the vial upside down and into the dosing opening. Keep screwing until you can't screw it. Then go back half a circle, then go back half a circle. Close the dosing window. To modes of operation, click the mode convert to switch the operating mode. Sterilized items greater than 30% and less than 80% use the strengthen process. The running time is about 1 hour. Sterilized items less than 30% using fast mode. The running time is about 45 minutes. Select the sterilization mode according to the number of items to be sterilized and then start. This has a countdown to the warm-up time. After 0, the sterilization process will be entered and the process interface will light up. After the sterilization is completed, the sterilization will be prompted to be completed. After the sterilization is completed, the sterilized items are taken out and placed in the sterile room. Biometric indicators are removed and cooled to room temperature. Use a tool to open the bag. Turn on the incubator. The temperature is set at 56 to 58 degrees Celsius. Use a biological clip to break the glass bottle inside. Allow the bacterial solution to completely submerge into the tablets. Shake it slightly and put it in the incubator. Take another one that has not been sterilized, and the steps are the same as above. 24 hours later, liquids that have not been sterilized will turn yellow. The sterilized liquid does not change color. That is, the sterilization effect is up to standard.